Restore means literally to restock the empty store shelves for another busy day of shopping. Or it means to bring something back to its original glory and wonder and polish. I see restoration happening in the early morning at every grocery store in the land. And when I think of bringing things back to their original glory, I think of Uncle Max and his tired old rocking chair, and the summer that he spent taking it carefully apart and reshaping the runners, remolding them, rubbing linseed oil into every crevice of the frame, recaning the seat and the back, and the glorious piece of furniture that just arrived as he completed his careful, tedious, loving work. Restoration can happen in a short time, but often it takes a long time. God is patient, and it is God's work to restore you, I, this church of which we're a part. Let the mountaintop bring you the encouragement needed to continue that journey. This is Ben Moore from West Highlands United Methodist Church with a thought for your day. Just another way of reaching out. Thank you.